The last time we started, we got the floor completely corrected. It's self-leveling concrete, and really cleaned up the project. Took a lot of the moldings out of the building. We blew out the exterior walls, which you see here is framed up for new windows. We'll have new windows in here in a week and a half. South elevation in the dining area here will have glass. Bringing in some sun and light. This area here will seat, the bar will seat occupies close to 100 people. This particular area here has seating for about 30 people here. All right, here we have the new kitchen, the skeleton of the new kitchen. This kitchen is probably 5 to 6 times bigger than the original bar. And this kitchen is going to, I saw the skeleton for the bathrooms, the female bathroom, the male bathroom. Of course, we're restoring the urinal. The north wall here, you can see the window and the door. The patio goes beyond this point. The patio is still under design. We are going to have a beautiful patio with a fireplace out there. All of the update landscaping, all the stamped concrete. So you have a whole server door, and you got the new front facade. On the outside is going to be all new materials, and it's going to be full color. And these windows here will give you a nice view of the University Avenue. So everybody driving down University Avenue can see in and see the fun that's being had here in the park. So we opened the volume. We opened everything we possibly could open up. Kept as much volume in the space so that the bar is as large as it possibly can be made for the existing conditions. So that's it for this time.